Setting the borders can be carried out in two phases. To scan the image without borders, just choose the auto size. To set the left and right oversize, go to Scan, then the plus sign on Input Size, then Options. Increase the oversize percentage, 10% being the largest. A scan shows the added board at the sides of the image. To increase the top and bottom, go to Options and Advanced. Under Paper Handling, increase the top and bottom offsets. The image now has a border all around. Save these as a preset to use on other media. These will be applied to new scans.